What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out. In this episode, we're going to do an apartment viewing of 2 or 3 apartments. My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
Well, hey, everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight without see. Meet people live through, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
All right, we're out here. So if you've been watching my lives, I've been talking about how I need to move in about 3 or 4. My lease ends next month. So ideally I'd like to be moving. Moving day would be like in 3 weeks from now. So I'm starting to look at places every day now and look online and stuff. And I found a few good ones online, and then they're always they're taken, the ones I really want. And then they show me other ones, and so far like the ones that are left to show me are I don't like them, or there's something missing, or like no laundry or no balcony or whatever. So I'm meeting a guy right now to show me 2 in my same area. I'm like, okay, well let's look at them anyways. So let's go. So in the first apartment here, you walk in and it's like a kitchen counter on an angle. The bathroom is just to the left. And the living room and then at the far end is the bedroom, and then right after the bed is a big window. They had posted pictures of like the same unit but the more nicer one. I think it's the one across the hall, because all the ones on that side have a balcony and the ones on the other side don't have a balcony. And so I bring it up and they said, oh, that one from the picture is already taken, but this one's available, you know, with no balcony. And also you'll notice there's no laundry machine. So even though I really like the vibe and the layout of this place, I can't take it because I need laundry and I need to have a balcony. At least it's that has an elevator, and I like it. So it's always like everyone I look at is missing something that I definitely need, but it covers some of the other things that I did want. All right, let's take a look at the next one. So now we're heading to check out the next place. And it's actually the same building as a couple guys I play in a band with. So this one, first impression right away is it does not look that nice, even when you first open the door and look in there. It's a weird layout. And I don't like that couch. And then if you check out the balcony, it's like you're in a little dirty bird cage facing a wall. It's not even a view. It's not even, I wouldn't even call that a balcony. It's like a weird bird cage on the side. And in the bedroom there's 2 beds, but they said they would take one of them out of there, obviously. I couldn't see any way that I could make this apartment actually work. But they've told me there's another unit just on a floor below where there's someone staying in there now, so all their stuff's in there, but they're about to leave pretty soon, and theirs has a balcony. So she's gonna go and show me that one. It's gonna be a little messy because there's a person that's actually living in there right now, but we can see another layout with a balcony. So let's go check that one out too. So in this last place, as you can see, it's just the same as, it's like just as bad as the one we just looked in. And there's not even a couch. The only furniture is like tucked in the corner in the bedroom. There's like 2 single chairs. I want like a 3-seater, fat, plushy couch. And then, you know those ones that have, and then one of the seats goes out long, like an L shape? Or you could, if it doesn't have that, I would get an ottoman and create that, you know what I mean, with an ottoman. And well, that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. Never too late to start tripping out.
Life is tall.